Find the area of the triangle if AF is 112, BE is 70 cm, CD 80 cm. So from the diagram, we can easily see that what we are given are the heights of the triangle. So we're going to solve this using the formula for the area of a triangle given the height. So the area of a triangle given the height is always equal to A 1 over the square root of 1 over HA plus 1 over HB plus 1 over HC times 1 over HA plus 1 over HB minus 1 over HC times 1 over HA plus 1 over HC minus 1 over HP. Finally, 1 over HP plus 1 over HC minus 1 over HA. So that is the formula for the area of a triangle given the height. I'll prove it after this. So let's substitute where H, A, B, and C are the heights. So let's plug in. So we can now see that the area is equal to area is now equal to 1 over the square root of, so this is 1 over 112 plus 1 over 17 plus 1 over 8 times 1 over 112 plus 1 over 70 minus 1 over 8 times 1 over 112 plus 1 over 80 minus 1 over 70 times 1 over 70 plus 1 over 80 minus 1 over 112. So they are all in square roots. So from here, the LCM is for each is 1120. So this is 10 plus 14. Sorry, 16, not 14. Plus 16 plus 14 times 10 plus 16 minus 14 1120 times 10 plus 14 minus 16 1120 times 14. 16 plus 14 minus 10 over 1120. So this is equal to, if you check, the denominator will be square root of 1120 raised to the power 4. So if you reciprocate, so we have 1120 squared over, this is square root of 40. This is 12 times, this is 8 times, this is 20. So, which is equal to 1120 squared over, I have 0, 0. So square root of 100 is 10 times, I have 4 and I have 8. So the 2 here, so we have 64. Square root of 64 is 8. Finally, square root of 12 is 2, 3. So our answer will be 7840 by 3. So if we rationalize, it's 7840 by 3 times root 3. So that's the answer. So that should be option A. So let me now prove this, the formula, this formula I'm using. Okay. We are given this. So let's the height be H4. That's the height. perpendicular to A, B, and C be H. So let the height perpendicular to A, B, and C. So you know that A, B, C are the sides. So look at them here. This is A, while this is B, minus this is C. Let me see. So let the height perpendicular to each of the sides be HA, HB, and HC respectively. So we know that area of any triangle, that's what we call Heron's formula. The area is always the square root of, you know that area is always the square root of the semi-perimeter times semi-perimeter minus, that's the product of this difference of the semi-perimeter and the sides. So where A, B, C are the sides, X is now the semi-perimeter, that's the perimeter over 2. But we know that area of a triangle is half base times height, yes. But we know that area of a triangle is half base. So if you are using A as the base, the height is now HA. Half, if I'm using B as my base, now HB, half CHC. So what do you have to say here? So which implies that if we make each of the sides the subject of formula, so which implies that A is now 2A over HA, B is 2A over HB, and C is what? 2A over HC. So we want to substitute the sides in terms of the area and the height. So that's why we made it the subject of formula. So we now write, therefore, we see that the semi-perimeter, therefore the semi-perimeter in terms of the area and the height is now 2A over HA plus 2A over HB plus 2A over HC divided by 2, that's times half. Divided by 2, that's it. So which is equal to, if we divide, what is common is 2, so we have A over HA plus A over HB plus A over HC. Okay. Then if we subtract the sides from the semi-perimeter, so we see that this is now A over HA plus A over HB plus A over HC minus A is 2A over HA, making it A over HB plus A over HC minus A over HA. So if we do the same for B, X, so S minus B will now give us A over HA plus A over HC minus A over HB. The same for C, if we subtract, S over C is now A over HA plus A over HB minus A over HC. So if we now plug in this in our Heron's formula, so we have the formula we are looking for. Let's substitute. So we have the area now is now, if we substitute, we've gotten S as A over HA plus A over HB plus A over HC times A over H. For A is now HB minus that. For B is A over HA plus A over HC minus A over HB. Finally, for C is now A over HA plus A over HB minus A over HC. So if you look at this, we can factor all. The four of them have A. You see? So if you factor A, so we are left with A raised to power 4, which the square root is A squared. While we are left with 1 over HA plus 1 over HB plus 1 over HC times 1 over HB plus 1 over HC minus 1 over HA times 1 over HA plus 1 over HC minus 1 over HB. And finally, as 1 over HA plus 1 over HB minus 1 over HC. Okay, if we cancel out this, A is common in both. So A, we are left with A here. So the same thing. Therefore, the formula we are looking for is now equal to the area. Making A the subject of formula is now 1 over the square root of this. The square root of 1 over HA plus 1 over HB plus 1 over HC times 1 over HB plus 1 over HC times 1 over HA times 1 over HA plus 1 over HC minus 1 over HB times 1 over HA plus 1 over HB minus 1 over HC, which is now the formula. This is now the formula for the area of a triangle in terms of the heights. So this is now area of a triangle in terms of the height. And that's the formula I use in solving the equation.